Hello everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to go over what is and what is not marital property for purposes of preparing for a divorce. Now, marital property is anything that is acquired during the marriage. So that includes real and personal property, including vacation homes, real property that you purchase together, real property you purchase separately. Anything that is acquired during the marriage is marital property. This also includes retirement benefits, 401ks, pensions, anything financially that accrues an interest during the marriage is marital property. What is not marital property? Marital property is not anything that has been contractually given away via a valid prenuptial agreement or premarital agreement. And when I say valid, I mean that because from the court's perspective, they're going to want to make sure that it wasn't done the night before the marriage. No one will argue that they were under duress or they didn't understand the agreements at the time that it was executed. So you want to make sure you properly execute a premarital agreement that goes over your interest or the other party's interest in any property that is obtained during the marriage. You also want to make sure that if you inherit or the other party inherits any gifts or inheritances during the marriage, that those are kept separate and apart from marital property. If you guys inherit or one of you inherit $30,000 from a grandparents and then put it in a joint bank account, it then becomes, and it's difficult for the court to ascertain whether or not it is marital property because it's commingled and mixed in with funds that you've contributed, they've contributed, everyone's contributed. So from the court's perspective, it's lost its roots of its value or its source for purposes of non-marital property. I do also caution that if you have non-marital property that you inherit, any real property, that you again keep it separate and apart. Don't allow your wife or your husband to use it during the marriage. Don't allow them to let people rent it out. Don't do anything that would kind of change the substance of that property. I wanted to give you guys this tidbit because it comes up in a lot of my divorce cases. The first analysis of the court is to determine what marital property is at issue, and you're going to have to submit that to the court through your attorney on a marital property form. You're also going to have to tell the court in a statement of what is not marital property, and sometimes parties disagree. So it's important for you to know what is and what is not marital property going into a divorce. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.